Video from the workshop, and I already see that this camera mount is too wobbly, but this is an EGR cooler, and this is a vacuum controlled actuator. Look at this, those screws, this screw. It should work like this. Here is the vacuum port. When you suck air out of it, it should just open it. But when I let the air in, you should close it. And no wonder it didn't work. So let's open it up. By the way, let me just show you for a moment. If you can see it, probably not. Here is no, you cannot see anything. Here is just a butterfly valve for bypassing the EGR cooler when the engine is cold. But yeah, let's open it. Let's set the light correctly. Okay. It won't be easy because it's all rusty, as you can see. The angle isn't great, but I tried unscrewing those screws, but they are so rusted that it doesn't make any sense. Okay. Well, I have 15 minutes, but I want to do it anyway. Now. Yeah, it opens. It splits apart. Okay, so I think it was exhaust gases here. There were exhaust gases here. Look how dirty it is. Alright. It's here, just a simple. No. So it looks like the water came here. Here and here. And the exhaust gases, maybe they came here and came out of here. Or maybe it's the other way around. Yeah, so this is a EGR cooler.